ready to launch in 3, 2, 1. When you arrive at your destination, please focus and have fun. Welcome to your future. To learn, just press play.
Hello, readers! I am so glad that you are here. I need you to go on a mission today, so make sure you're paying attention and following along. In order to complete your mission, you must read words and sentences that have a specific sound. I will reveal that to you later. As you are following along, you will earn letters to a secret code. Once you have all the letters, your mission will be complete. For today, some tasks you will have to do on your own. So when you see this symbol and hear this sound, that means it's time to press pause and do the task that is asked of you. You will press play when you are done. Let's try it. Ready?
I want you to sing the ABCs in a deep voice. Ready? Oh, good. You're back. Did you sing the ABCs in a deep voice?
Great! That means you listened and followed the directions. You have earned your first letter to the secret code.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 23, write the letter C.
All you need today is a pencil, but you can put it down for now. We are going to start with the letters you all know and love. You got it, our ABCs. These sounds are so important to know as fast as you can. Repeat after me. Get ready?
A. Apple, A. Your turn.
A. Apple, A. Your turn.
B. Bat, B. Your turn.
B. Bat, B. Your turn.
C. Cat, K. Your turn.
C. Cat, K. Your turn.
D. Dog, D. Your turn.
D. Dog, D. Your turn.
E. Elephant, E. Your turn.
E. Elephant, E. Your turn.
F. Fish, F. Your turn.
F. Fish, your turn.
G. Grapes, G. Your turn.
G. Grapes, good, your turn.
H. Hand, H. Your turn.
H. Hand, your turn.
I. Igloo, I. Your turn.
I. Igloo, I. Your turn.
J. Jump, J. Your turn.
J. Jump, J. Your turn.
K. Kite, K. Your turn.
K. Kite, your turn.
L. Lion, L. Your turn.
L. Lion, O. Your turn.
M. Mouse, M. Your turn.
M. Mouse, your turn.
N. Nest, N. Your turn.
N. Nest, your turn.
O. Octopus, Ah. Your turn.
O. Octopus, O. Your turn.
P. Pig, P. Your turn.
P. Pig, your turn.
Q. Quiet, Qu. Your turn.
Q. Quiet, Qu. Your turn.
R. Rainbow, R. Your turn.
R. Rainbow, your turn.
S. Snake, S. Your turn.
S. Snakes, your turn.
T. Tiger, T. Your turn.
T. Tiger, T. Your turn.
U. Umbrella, Your turn.
U. Umbrella, your turn.
V. Volcano, V. Your turn.
V. Volcano, your turn.
W. Watermelon, W. Your turn.
W. Watermelon, what, your turn.
X. Xylophone, X. Your turn.
X. Xylophone, your turn.
Y. Yo-yo, Y. Your turn.
Y. Yo, your turn.
Z. Zebra, Z. Your turn.
Z. Zebra, Z.
We interrupt this broadcast for a special news bulletin. Have you seen this emoji? His name is Nico. He has blonde hair and blue eyes and is holding a train. He has been spotted in another video. He teaches us that CH makes the sound ch. I repeat, CH makes the sound ch. Now repeat after me. CH makes the sound ch. If you see this letter combination, please remain calm. Just say ch. And now back to your regular scheduled programming.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 75, write the letter H. Hello, ninja friends. Today we are going to be very, very sneaky. We are going to turn the lights out. I just want you to concentrate on my voice. I am going to say sounds. When I turn the light on, I want you to blend and say the word. Like a word, attack. Try to say the word before I do and listen to make sure you are correct. Pay careful attention because these words have our focus sound. Ready? Ch, e, k. Cheek. P, a, ch. Patch. F, e, ch. Fetch. Ch, eat. Cheat. Ch, ek. Check. Latch. Latch.
All right, team. Now it's really time to get down to business. You are going to read words with our focus sound. If you're working in a team, try to sound out the words in your head so you can give everyone a chance to use their noggins. When you press play, we will read them out loud together. Ready?
Point to the star. The words under the star have the sound ch at the beginning. Read the words under the star, then just press play and we will read them together. Press pause now. Let's read the words under the star together. Ready? Chap. Chat. Chug. Chop. Point to the pentagon with 5 sides. Some of these words have TCH that can also make the sound ch. The rule is that you use TCH when the sound ch is right after a short vowel in a 1-syllable word. Look at the word patch. You hear ch right after the short A sound, a. Patch is a 1-syllable word, so it is spelled with TCH. Read the words under the pentagon, then just press play and we will read them together. Press pause now. Let's read the words under the pentagon. Ready? Hitch. Latch. Pinch. Bench. Point to the triangle. You may see ch at the beginning or end of these words. You can underline the letters CH if you would like. We have a guest star in our first word. AR makes the sound R. Read the words under the triangle, then just press play and we will read them together. Press pause now. Let's read the words under the triangle together. Ready? Charm, clench, branch, cheek.
You're getting smarter by the minute. It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 1, write the letter A.
Let's do a little word review with our word walk. We will read some words that you might see in the sentence later. Try to say the words before I do. If you haven't learned them yet, that's okay. Just put them on your to-do list.
2. The. Will. See. A. Can. 4. The words are going to go a little faster this time. Get ready. Will. The. 2. See. Can. 4. A. Now it's time for the final speed round. Get ready. 4. See. The. Will. 2. Can. A.
We are out in the wild looking for a rare sound. Oh look, I think I spotted it.
Do you see it? I see the letters CH that make the sound ch.
Pick up your pencil and underline the letters that make up our focus sound. Press pause and I'll see you when you're finished.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 96, write the letter S.
I think you are now ready and prepared for the next part of your mission. You are going to read some sentences with our focus sound.
Point to the cylinder. Practice reading the sentence next to the cylinder. Just press play when you feel like you are ready to read the sentence like you are talking. Press pause now. Point to the cylinder. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Check to see if the chick can hatch. Point to the sphere. Practice reading the sentence next to the sphere. Try to read it fluently before you press play. Press pause now. Point to the sphere. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Chaz will catch a pitch. Point to the cone. Practice reading the sentence next to the cone. Press pause now. Point to the cone. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Chant for Mitch at the tennis match.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 18, write the letter E.
You did amazing on your mission. I hope you were paying attention and got all the letters to the secret code. Check with a teacher or an adult to see if you're correct. If you put the words from all 3 pages together, you will find out the secret message. Well, that's all for today. If you have time, write more words with the focus sound on the back of your paper. Signing off until next time.